Welcome to Digital Toolbox. This is part 13 of the Farnsworth House case study, and we're going to move our staircases into position for this tutorial. So I'll go into my right view, I need to ungroup this actually. Deselect, I'm going to group these together. And then I'm going to reselect this and group them. And then I'm going to ungroup the support. So once I take these two, I actually need to make this flush with this. So to do that, I'm just going to control points. So you just type in PON to turn on the control points, and then I'll make it flush with that. To turn off the points, you can type POFF for points off, or just press F11. So take these two things, or two curves, or two groups, and move it over to here. And then I'm going to take these two, and I'm going to move it to here, and then I'm going to move it down 3.5 inches. Go into my perspective view. Turn off my floor slab. I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to draw that line, and then I'm going to draw a 12-foot line for the length of our stairs. Find the midpoint, bring it to the midpoint. What I'm going to do is take our two outlines, and I'm going to type in set point, or PT for point, set PT. And when you open this, when you press enter, everything will be selected. But this time we only want to align it with the X direction. So we'll set X, and we'll unselect, set Y, and set Z, and align to the world. We'll click OK. And then we're going to set it at the beginning of the 12-foot line. So now everything is aligned to that point. And then from here, we'll take these steps, and we'll extrude curve 12 feet. We'll zoom in, and I'll undo that. And make sure that the stairs extruded is the layer that we're on. So I'll reselect, extrude curve, 12 foot. Then I'll select the two supports, extrude curve by 1 inch. And I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to move it, find the midpoint, I'm going to move it to the midpoint line. And then take the same curves and extrude them again. Should have used copy, but that's okay. Then I'll take the two curves and I'll copy it, bring it all the way to the end. And I'm going to inset them by 1 inch. So select both of them. I'm going to move the outside to the inside. select the back surface or the back poly surface support, move this by 1 inch also in. So there's our stairs. I'm going to turn off the outline, turn back on my columns and my floor, and there we have our Farnsworth house. Now there's some, as I was researching more as I went along with this, there was a window back here that you guys can go back in and edit this and add the actual smaller horizontal windows down here. Other than that, it's pretty close accuracy to the Farnsworth house, and I hope you guys learned a lot of modeling tools and ways to model. So the next tutorial we'll do is for layout and stuff, doing floor plans and sections. And so thanks for watching.